Hello students, welcome back in my YouTube channel Sam Alchemy Classes। पिछले सेगमेंट में आईपीएसी नोमेनक्लेचर में कार्बोक्सिलिक के नोमेनक्लेचर को डिस्कस किया जा चुका है। इस सेगमेंट में कार्बोक्सिलिक डेरिवेटिव्स के नोमेनक्लेचर को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू कार्बोक्सिलिक डेरिवेटिव्स। कार्बोक्सिलिक डेरिवेटिव्स। What are carboxylic derivatives? These are ester represented by COO group, amide CONH2 group, acyl chloride COCl group, anhydride COCOO group. These are कार्बोक्सिलिक डेरिवेटिव्स। कार्बोक्सिलिक के डेरिवेटिव्स में ईस्टर, अमाइड, एसिल क्लोराइड एंड एनहाइड्राइड आते हैं। सो वन बाय वन हम इनके नोमेनक्लेचर को डिस्कस करेंगे। So first of all, ester represented by this structural formula. This is functional group of ester COO. It's a middle functional group and longest carbon chain में ester के that is COO के कार्बन को काउंट करते हैं। It is counted in longest carbon chain. थोड़ा सा इसका नोमेनक्लेचर डिफरेंट है तो उसको हम डिस्कस करते हैं। डिफरेंट क्यों है? बिकॉज ये मिडिल फंक्शनल ग्रुप तो है बट इसमें 2 एल्किल्स अटैच होते हैं ऑन बोथ द साइड। These alkyl may be same, identical, may be identical or may be unidentical। आइडेंटिकल भी हो सकते हैं या अनआइडेंटिकल भी हो सकते हैं। लाइक दोनों मेथिल हो सकते हैं, एथिल हो सकते हैं, प्रोपिल हो सकते हैं, या एक एथिल हो सकता है, एक मेथिल हो सकता है, एक प्रोपिल हो सकता है, एक एथिल हो सकता है। तो इस तरह से आइडेंटिकल भी हो सकते हैं एंड डिफरेंट भी हो सकते हैं। इसका नेम जब लिखते हैं तो एल्किल, एल्केन विल बी longest carbon chain and E will be replaced by O8. O8 is the secondary suffix of ester. Let's brief again. इसमें RCOOR डैश जिसमें कि R दोनों आइडेंटिकल हो सकते हैं, R अनआइडेंटिकल हो सकते हैं एल्किल, और नेम लिखेंगे एल्किल एल्केनोएट। यहाँ पर एल्केन जो लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन होगी उसमें से E को रिप्लेस करेंगे O8 से। एंड व्हाट इज O8? सेकेंडरी सफिक्स फॉर ईस्टर। व्हाट विल बी एल्किल हियर एंड व्हाट विल बी लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन? So it's clear from the structure. The alkyl that is directly attached with oxygen of ester group. ईस्टर ग्रुप के ऑक्सीजन से जो डायरेक्टली अटैच होगा वो होगा एल्किल। इट विल बी एल्किल, दिस एल्किल। एंड जो कार्बन से ईस्टर के अटैच होगा दैट विल बी लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन, and in that carbon of ester is counted in that longest carbon chain। जो 2 एल्किल अटैच होते हैं इनमें से जो ऑक्सीजन से डायरेक्टली अटैच होगा ये सिंपली एल्किल होगा जो पहले लिखते हैं। एंड एल्केन जो लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन होगी वो कंसीडर्ड होगी जिसमें ईस्टर का कार्बन उस एल्किल ग्रुप से अटैच होगा। एंड उस लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन में ईस्टर के कार्बन को भी काउंट करेंगे और इस लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन में E will be replaced by O8, the secondary suffix for ester, and name will become alkyl alkanoate Now complete name will be alkyl alkanoate. Now take real examples. Like this CS3 COOCS3. Two identical alkyl are attached here, methyl, but their position is different. One methyl is attached directly with the oxygen of ester, while next is attached with the carbon of ester. ये दोनों में डिफरेंस है. ईस्टर के ऑक्सीजन से अटैच है और ये ईस्टर के कार्बन से अटैच है. सो नेम में सबसे पहले एल्किल मीन्स मेथिल. नेक्स्ट लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन 1 2 1 2. ईस्टर की कार्बन को लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन में काउंट करते हैं. सो एथ फॉर सिंगल बॉन्ड एन and E is replaced by OH. So name becomes methyl ethanoate. Is it clear now? Let's brief again. This methyl is attached with oxygen of ester while this methyl is attached with carbon of ester group. So this is alkyl and this is longest carbon chain including carbon of ester. So methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Take next example. CH3 CH2 COOC2H5. Again, this alkyl attached with oxygen, so ethyl. This will be ethyl. This is 1, 2, and 3 longest carbon chain. So prop single bond Ne replaced by OH and name becomes propanoate, ethyl propanoate. यहाँ पर इसके कार्बन को काउंट करेंगे. नेक्स्ट this branch ester is given. This is alkyl, so ethyl. This will be ethyl. Now 1, 2, 3. This will be longest carbon chain, and this prefix methyl is attached at position 2. So 2-methyl for 3 carbon prop for single bond A, and E is replaced by OH. Name becomes ethyl 2-methyl propanoate. Taking next. Here this is ester functional group. This is propyl. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At 2 position ethoxy is present. At position 3 nitro is present. It comes E, it comes N nitro, but first propyl alkyl alkanoate. So propyl. Now in longest carbon chain E comes first. 2-ethoxy. Next 3-nitro. Next longest carbon chain belongs to 5, that is pent. So pent. Now position of double bond 4. This is ene. Now E from ene is replaced by OH. So name becomes propyl 2-ethoxy 3-nitro pent 4-ene OH 4-enoate. This is the correct name. In order preference, we know carboxylic group is superior than ester group. So whenever this ester groups comes as prefix, then prefix for ester will become alkoxycarbonyl. This is prefix for ester group when superior functional group carboxylic or sulfonic is present in largest carbon chain, then ester will considered as prefix, and in that condition alkoxycarbonyl will be the prefix for ester. Let's take one example. CH3 CH COO CH3 COOH. A simple example is here. This is 1, 2 and 3. This will be the longest carbon chain and this ester group behaves as prefix here. Why? Because in this organic compound carboxylic is present and carboxylic in priority table carboxylic is superior than ester. That's why principal this carboxylic will be principal functional group. Its secondary suffix will be used, while for ester its prefix will be used. So what is prefix? Alkoxycarbonyl, methoxycarbonyl, it will be methoxycarbonyl. What is the position of prefix? It is 2. So 2-methoxycarbonyl and prop single bond and E replaced by oic acid. Oic acid is the secondary suffix for carboxylic. So complete name will become 2-methoxycarbonyl propanoic acid. Next. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be the longest carbon chain and two groups ethoxycarbonyl are present. So this will be 2, 3 diethoxycarbonyl. Ethoxycarbonyl pen. Double bond is at position 4 in and E will be replaced by oic acid, not by OH. Why? Because carboxylic is superior functional group here. So complete name will become 2,3-diethoxycarbonyl pent-4-enoic acid. Next. After carboxylic derivative, first ester has discussed. Next is acyl chloride. Acyl chloride represented by RCOCl. First thing, it's a terminal functional group, not middle. Terminal functional group like कार्बोक्सिलिक की तरह ही ये टर्मिनल फंक्शनल ग्रुप होगा, जबकि इसके पहले ईस्टर वो मिडिल फंक्शनल ग्रुप था। टर्मिनल फंक्शनल ग्रुप में इन लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन COCl के कार्बन को काउंट करेंगे। लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन में COCl का कार्बन काउंट होगा एंड ड्यूरिंग नेम फ्रॉम एल्केन parent chain, E will be replaced by oil chloride. This is secondary suffix. This is secondary suffix oil chloride used for COCl group. So its name will become alkanoyl chloride without position. Why? Because COCl will be the principal functional group and its terminal so attached at one end of the longest carbon chain. Taking one simple example, CH3COCl, commonly called acetyl chloride, for 2 carbon eth and for single bond N, E is replaced by oil chloride, so name will become ethanoyl chloride. Next is CH3CH CH3COCl. So longest carbon chain will be this 1, 2 and 3. So 2 methyl, because at 2 position methyl prefix is attached. Then for 3 carbon prop, for single bond N is replaced by oil chloride. So name becomes propanoyl chloride. Next, this longest carbon chain will be this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At 2 position ethyl is attached. So 2 ethyl, longest carbon chain belongs to pent. At position 3 unsaturation due to double bond is present. E from ene will be replaced by oil chloride. No position for oil chloride because it is filled. 2 position of ethyl and 3 position of double bond ene represents that COCl is present at position 1. That's why double bond is at position 3 and this ethyl group is attached at position 2. So no need for this terminal and superior principal functional group. Name will become 2-ethyl pent 3-enoyl chloride. Sometimes we get COCl comes 2 times in longest carbon chain, just like carboxylic. COCl, single bond COCl. Commonly it's called oxalyl chloride. Oxalyl chloride. Its IPC name will be for 2 carbon eth, for single bond N, ethane. It has come 2 times, so di oil chloride is secondary suffix. E will not be replaced. E replaced nahi hoga. Why? Because first letter is D as in previous examples. Next is COCl has come 2 times, so longest carbon chain will start from one COCl and will ends at another COCl as in previous examples of terminal functional group like aldehydes in carboxylic. COCl, COCl. So it's clear कि longest carbon chain आपकी ये होगी 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हम उधर से मूव करेंगे जिधर से इनका टोटल सम कम आ जाए. दिस COCl से यहाँ पर ये 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 ये भी फिक्स आ रहा लोएस्ट सब रूल के अकॉर्डिंग. यहाँ पर देखिए ये एथिलीन ग्रुप लगा हुआ है मिथिलीडीन ग्रुप की पोजीशन 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. एथॉक्सी एंड अमीनो में अमीनो इज सुपीरियर देन इथॉक्सी. सुपीरियर देन इथॉक्सी, दैट्स वाई हम मूव करेंगे इस डायरेक्शन में। फिर से समझ लीजिए, COCl से COCl तक लार्जेस्ट कार्बन चेन होगी। लोएस्ट सम रूल को अगर देखेंगे तो आइदर हम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूव करें या हम क्लॉकवाइज मूव करें, दोनों केसेस में टोटल सम सेम है, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5। बट यहाँ पर NH2 इज सुपीरियर देन ईथर, दैट्स वाई हम क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मूव करेंगे, सो दैट बिग ग्रुप को स्मॉल पोजीशन मिले, 1 2 3 4 and this is 5. Now it is amino, this is methylidene, this is ethoxy. So first come 2 amino, second is 4 ethoxy because E comes after A, 2 amino, 4 ethoxy, 3 methylidene, 3 methylidene, and for 5 carbon pent, single bond N, dioyl chloride, dioyl chloride. This will be the complete name, and D will not be replaced. Why? Because E will not be replaced. Why? Because D आ गया है फर्स्ट लेटर, सो यहाँ पर E रिप्लेस नहीं होगा। A I O U Y इतने लेटर्स आने पर जो एन इन आइन का ई है वो रिप्लेस होगा, इसके अलावा कोई लेटर आता है तो वो रिप्लेस नहीं होगा। टेकिंग नेक्स्ट, when it comes 3 or more than 3 times in special cases, since COCl is a terminal functional group and derivative of carboxylic, so as in the case of carboxylic जब 3 times or 3 times से ज्यादा आता है तो उसमें हम स्पेशल केस एंड स्पेशल सफिक्स को यूज करते हैं। सेम यहाँ पर भी जब COCl 3 टाइम्स या इससे ज्यादा आएगा तब यहाँ पर हम इसका जो स्पेशल केस होगा वो होगा कार्बोनिल क्लोराइड, carbonyl chloride. This will be special suffix, when the COCl comes 3 or more than 3 times, मिनिमम 3 टाइम्स से आए या 3 टाइम्स से ज्यादा जब ये अपीयर होगा, देन उस कंडीशन में हम कार्बोनिल क्लोराइड को यूज करेंगे। टेकिंग वन एग्जांपल, CH2COCl, CHCOCl, CH2COCl. So this will be considered as derived from parent chain, and parent alkane chain is this propane. So 1 2 3 we will move from either side, left to right or right to left, as in previous cases in carboxylic aldehydes and so on. So this will be propane 1 2 3 try carbonyl chloride. This special suffix carbonyl chloride will be used here. Next, this compound contains 3 carbonyl groups. So it will be considered to derive from this parent chain. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will move from right to left. At 2 position methoxy prefix is present. So 2 methoxy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent for double bond. In at position 2. Pent 2 in. Then 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Try carbonyl chloride. Repeat again. This is the longest carbon chain here. 3 carbonyl chloride COCl group are attached and its carbon will not be included in longest carbon chain. All the 3 groups will be excluded from the longest carbon chain and a special suffix carbonyl chloride will be used here. So we will move from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 longest carbon chain 5 carbon. So and 2 position methoxy 2 methoxy pent 2 in 1, 3, 4 tricarbonyl chloride. This is the correct name. When superior functional group like carboxylic is present in a chain, it is superior than its derivative COCl. Then COCl will be used as prefix. And in the form of prefix for COCl, chloroformyl is used. A new term, chloroformyl. For what? Prefix. When prefix? When superior functional group like carboxylic and ester is present in longest carbon chain, then for COCl, chloroformyl prefix is used. Like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. At position 3 COCl is attached and this is chloroformyl. So name will become first prefix 3 chloroformyl. For 4 carbon but for single bond N is replaced by oic acid. So name will become 3 chloroformyl butanoic acid. Okay, next example. This is ester. Ester is also superior than COCl. So here COCl will be considered as prefix and one prefix amino is present. This will be alkyl and this will be longest carbon chain. So first of all alkyl एथिल ईस्टर का नेम लिखते हैं तो एल्किल एल्केनोएट. सो फर्स्ट एथिल देन 1 2 3 4. फर्स्ट कम ए अमीनो देन क्लोरो सी. सो 2 अमीनो 3 क्लोरो फॉर्मिल for 4 carbon but and for double bond in and position is 3 in. E will be replaced by OH. Complete name will become ethyl 2 amino 3 chloroformyl but 3 enoate but 3 enoate This is the correct name for this compound when COCl comes as prefix. So हमने इस टॉपिक में इसके तीनों टर्म इसके डिस्कस किए हैं. When it comes as secondary suffix, then what is used? Oil chloride. What is used? Oil chloride. जब ये प्रीफिक्स में आता है then chloroformyl. Chloroformyl. Special case में when comes 3 or more than 3 times, then carbonyl chloride. Carbonyl chloride. So in carboxylic derivatives, carbonyl chloride and ester completed. Next is amide. Next is amide, represented by CONH2. It's a terminal functional group. Again, terminal functional groups comes at the end of longest carbon chain. In longest carbon chain, CONH2, carbon is counted. CONH2 का जो कार्बन है इसको लॉन्गेस्ट कार्बन चेन में इंक्लूड कर लेते हैं, उसको काउंट कर लेते हैं. एंड सेकेंडरी सफिक्स यूज्ड विल बी from alkane, E is replaced by amide. Amide. So its name becomes alkanamide. No position because CONH2 will be the principal functional group and it will be at the end of side chain. Taking real examples. Very common example, CH3CONH2. Acetamide, commonly called as acetamide, for 2 carbon H, for single bond N, E is replaced by amide, so name becomes ethanamide. Its name becomes ethanamide. Let's take another. CH3 CH3 CHCHO CH double bond CHCH3 CONH2. Now selection of longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is methyl. This is methyl. This is formyl. This is ethylidene. This is ethylidene. Just like methylidene, one hydrogen is substituted. So ethylidene. And this will be the longest carbon chain. So this is formyl F. This is methyl M. This is ethylidene E. So prefix in alphabetical order, first 2 ethylidene, 3 formyl, because CONH2 is superior than CHO, formyl, 4 methyl, pent, for single bond N, E is replaced by amide, pentanamide. I repeat the name. Longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 3 prefix are attached that are ethylidene, formyl and methyl. So at 2 position ethylidene, at 3 formyl and at 4 methyl. In alphabetical order, E comes first, so 2 ethylidene, then F 3 formyl, then 4 methyl pentanamide. When CONH2 group comes 2 times like other terminal functional groups. Then for 2 carbon 8 for single bond in ethane for to die, and this group is amide, diamide. So name becomes ethane diamide. ethane diamide. E replace नहीं होगा. Next, CONH2 CH2 CH OCH3 CH2 CONH2. Since CONH2 is terminal functional group, साइड में ही आएगा किनारे की तरफ लार्जेस्ट कार्बन चेन में. एंड व्हेन 2 टाइम्स टर्मिनल फंक्शनल ग्रुप कम्स, देन एक से शुरू करेंगे और दूसरे पर उसको एंड कर देंगे. So 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. We may move from any direction, either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So 1 2 3 4 5. This will be 3-methoxy pent for single bond N, pentane, and diamide. E will not be replaced. 3-methoxy pentane diamide. So this is all about for this lecture, and we will continue it in next lecture. Thank you, students. Thank you for your appreciation.